The County Materials family of companies is grateful for the many women who work for our organization. They are changing perceptions about manufacturing careers and moving the concrete manufacturing industry forward. We're proud to share their stories.
My name is Sheila Holbach, and I am the Fleet Specialist at County. I have worked previously in the medical field, so coming to County was a complete change, but also allowed me to advance and learn new skills. The most rewarding part of my job would be helping the drivers, whether it's getting the permits on time, changing the routes, always communicating with the drivers and making sure they have everything they need. I would tell women who are thinking about entering the manufacturing job force that they can do it. Be who you are. Don't be afraid to step out of your comfort zone.
We believe that our team members are the key to our success, and their dedication and talents make us stronger. Together, we're building a company that hardworking people are proud to work for, live near, and do business with since 1946.